Hello friends, welcome to my channel Easy to Learn. So today I am going to present a class on header footer. How to use header footer in MS Word. I just want to show you how to apply or use header footer in MS Word. Dear friends, you can see this is the content I want to represent in this class. So many more have some problems to apply header and footers in their documents. So it is one of the important features of MS Word. So first let me tell something about header, and after that we'll discuss about the footer. Header is nothing. It is the information available in each page, at the top of the each page. That means you can say any information displayed over the top of the page, over the top of each page, you can say it is header. Similarly, footer is the content which is available at the bottom of each page. So here a default content you want to make visible in each page, that is called header or footer. If it is displayed at the top of the document, then it is called header. If it is displayed at the bottom of the document, then it is called footer. So here I have only one page. Let me show you how to use header footer in different page. Let me create few of pages using shortcut key control enter. I just press 4-5 times and you can notice now I have 8 page, total number of page 8, and I am present in page number 8. So you can see the blank pages, no issue. You can also set header or footer in blank page, whether it has contents or not. I just reduce the zoom size. You can notice there are n number of pages. Here 3 pages, another 3 pages, and here 2 pages, total 8 number of pages. I want to set a headers and a footers. Dear friends, to set the headers you have to go insert tab. After that, from the header footer section you have to click on header. You have to click on header. Here it will ask for an option. So where you want to see, there are number of options. One header information will be displayed at the top, and 3 header information will be displayed in left, center and right, and one information having underline in the center. Any one style you can choose from this gallery. Simple. I just want to apply this one. I have to click on it, and here you can see each and every page where you want to see the header. As I said, header is the information displayed at the top of each page. Here in any one page you just have to write the header information. Suppose I will write it Microsoft Word. You just see Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. This is one word I want to see in each page. Right now you can also see when I close this header and footer option, it will be displayed at the top of each page. I just increase the zoom size. You can see here this is the page 1 where an information Microsoft Word having underline applied, and similarly you can see at the top of each page. At the top of each page, once I reduce the zoom size, you can see here, notice this is the headers, and these are the headers displayed over the top of each page. Similarly, if you want to apply footer, many more books contain page number or any other telephone number, email ID or company address, whatever you want to place at the bottom of each page, then you can use footer. Similarly, no need to click at the bottom. You just have to go insert tab. After that, there is a footer option. You can choose footer and where you want to see, at the left side or 3 information you want to show. Suppose I want to select this one. I just select this one. At the bottom of there are 3 area. You can notice first in this area I just want to see page. Suppose I want to see the page number. You can see page number over here. To apply the page number, you have to go through design tab. Here page number is here, and you just select the current position. That means where you just select, I have selected here this tab. You just select current position and click one page or page one, any one option. I just click on one. Here one is applied. Similarly, in the center, I want to see Microsoft Word I have written as header. Here I want to see suppose header and footer or anything. Suppose I just write welcome, whatever, and here I want to write a number, that is suppose my phone number, right? I just type like this. You just simple close this header footer, click on this button and it will be closed. You can see once I increase the zoom size, this is the header and you can see the footer. I have applied the page number here, and in middle welcome, and at the right you can see the phone number, which is displayed at the each page, at the bottom of each page. These are the information over here as footer, and this is the information available here as header. If you want to change something in your footer or header, then you can also change. Suppose I want to change in the center content of the footer. Simple, no need to go anywhere. You just have to double click on it. Once you double click on this, it will allow to change something. Suppose I want to change this one. I don't want to show welcome here. I just want to see easy to learn, right? Suppose easy to learn. This is my channel name. I just want to see at the bottom of each page easy to learn, and here I want to see, instead of a mobile number, I want to see both my name as well as my number. And suppose I want to write Tapas Mishra, right? After that my phone number. Once you close this header and footer, this will be applied to each and every page as footer information. See, every page has been changed. At the center easy to learn, at the right Tapas Mishra and phone number, and the left is the phone page number. You can see page number is changing automatically, 2, and here 3. I just reduce the zoom size. You can easily see here 3, 4. Likewise, it is applied to every page and no need to count the page. It is automatically applied 1, 2, 3, 4 by default, right? I hope you could understand this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you are new visitor for me and my channel. So please share this video, like this video, and help me to go ahead. Thank you.